Hi everybody, welcome back to your Tech Tip of the Week. I'm Laura Simsick, the Marketing Manager for Networks Unlimited. This week what we're going to do is a how-to for Excel. And what we're going to try to accomplish in Excel is how to transpose your information. And what that means is you take the headers and all the data that's in one axis and you just flip it to the other one. And it's so much easier than you think. Let's get started. First off, you're going to open the document that you want to move the data around. You will highlight the data and copy it. Then you'll select a blank space in the spreadsheet and you're going to right click and select the Paste Special button. And within there it gives you a couple options, but the one we're looking for is Transpose. Click that button and voila, there you have it. If you have any questions about this or anything else, put them in the comment section. Otherwise, you've just had your Tech Tip of the Week. Have a great day.